Hello everyone, this is Helen. In the last video, we produced a very beautiful Shanghai green coal. At a family gathering, if you can make this dish, it will be very pleasing. Today, I will teach you to make a dessert. 200 grams of walnut meat and 60 grams of rock sugar to make amber walnuts. I bought a good quality Xinjiang paper walnut. It has a thin skin and can be crushed with a pinch, but there are a lot of walnuts. To save energy, I used a clip. Everyone is familiar with walnuts. It has many effects, such as brain health, anti-aging, and blood sugar reduction. If you have students at home, they can eat more. But the walnut rind has a bitter taste, and the taste is not very good. However, the amber walnuts made today are covered with a layer of crystal syrup. The taste is crisp and sweet. Both adults and children love it. After removing all the walnuts meat, place them in a pan and bake at a low temperature. When you can hear the cracking sound, it means that the outer skin of walnuts has cracked due to heat. Turn it over and let them heat evenly. Turn off the heat for a minute. At this time, the walnuts are fragrant and crispy. Brush the pot clean. Pour into a thin layer of water. Add 60 grams of rock sugar. Boil. Melt and boil the sugar. First is a larger bubble, then the small bubble. Turn the small fire slowly into a brown and pour into walnut meat. Stir well. And it's ready to serve. Don't rush. Because it's hot, wait until the sugar cools and becomes brittle. Then the taste is the best. The amber walnuts made in this way are sweet and crispy, but also they are astringent. You can eat as snacks. They are good for blood and brain, which is addictive. Be careful. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Welcome to subscribe to my channel and leave message under the video. I will continue to update more food videos. See you next time. Bye.